If you or someone else enters the invalid Apple ID password multiple times, your Apple ID is locked to safeguard your personal information. If you are encountering such a situation and wish to fix the Apple ID locked for security reasons, find the finest ways in this video to fix this issue. The best solution to Apple ID locked for security reasons. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker has the capability to help you remove the Apple ID lock without losing your iPhone's data. To Find My feature is disabled. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker takes a few clicks to regain access to your iOS devices, whether it's a 4 or 6-digit numeric code or the unique Face ID. Joyoshare can break through them all. Step 1. Launch Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. On the homepage, choose the Unlock Apple ID option. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. When Find My feature is on, you should check and confirm if your device has set up a screen lock and whether two-factor authentication is enabled. Step 3. Check and confirm your device information. After that, click on Download button to get the matchable firmware. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will then start unlocking the Apple ID and remove it from your device. Apart from Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker, there are other workable methods. Use a trusted phone number to bypass Apple ID. Step 1. When you get the error message, tap Unlock Account. When asked, enter the phone number. Then, in the top right corner, hit Next. Step 2. You get a verification code on your trusted phone number. On your iOS device, enter this verification code. Step 3. Now, you will get a sign-in screen asking for your Apple ID password. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password. Step 4. Next, enter the screen password and set a new Apple ID password. After that, sign in using your new Apple ID credentials. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.